This is how to change Google account password, so let's get into it. First of all, you just need to open up your Google account and then click on your profile icon at the very top right corner. And here you will be able to see an option of Google account. Simply click on it. So after some processing, you will be here at this interface. Here you just need to click on the personal info and then scroll down at the bottom in order to open the password section here. Click on it and then after some processing you will be here. If you totally forget your password, simply click on the forget password here, and right after that you have to just select your email or your phone number in order to get the verification email to change your password. But if you don't forget your password, then you just need to click on the password section and then put here your previous password and then simply click on the next. And right here you have to just put the new password that you want to replace and again verify your new password and then simply click on that save password. So that's how to change the password of your Google account, and that's all for this video. I hope this video makes sense for you. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.